Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. As you know, I'm Leslie and we're the Doucettes, and today I'm taking some pictures of some items that I cleaned out of my own closet, and here we go. So yeah, I did clean my closet out last year when we wasn't doing anything, and I realized just how much clothes I wasn't wearing anymore. But it's springtime. It's time to clean out the closet again. So that's what I did. And I didn't take out a whole lot, but about 4 or 5 items. All of those things have name brand. They're either was never worn or worn once, and so they're in great condition. So today I'm taking pictures of some items, and I'm pretty proud of myself. Even though it's just 4 things, cleaning out your own closet is the best way to sell on eBay, because these are items you bought for yourself and you've got some use out of them already. And so it's almost 100% profit, right? You can think of it that way. So that's what I did. And so I found a couple of dresses and a couple of tops. This is what we're doing for today. So come on, follow me. Let's get something done today. Okay, so one brand we can talk about is Lularoe. Seen it everywhere. It's been saturated on eBay, and sometimes you see it at a thrift store, or maybe it's in your own closet and you're just like, nobody's gonna buy this. There's so many out there that I think people are over it. But in actuality, people are still buying it. And so feel free to go ahead, and if you have Lularoe and if you want to post that on eBay, pick a good price, see what it's going for. And I'm telling you, it is still selling. So don't be afraid to go for that dress or to sell your item on eBay if you have one, because it's still selling. Okay guys, so when I say Lularoe, many people often think of their leggings. And yes, they sold a ton of leggings in Lularoe, but what they also sold a lot of is dresses. Now there's plenty of styles that Lularoe sold as far as dresses go, and they are very stylish and flattering, and they sold a lot of them, and so they still sell well now. As far as the leggings, yeah, I don't own any. I don't buy any at the thrift stores. It's just, that's my opinion on the leggings. But dresses, yes, I do still sell them, and I'm gonna look up the comps just to see like how many Lularoe dresses are actually selling on eBay, and I'll let you know. Okay, so I looked up just how many Lularoe dresses are being sold on eBay. And so I typed in the search line Lularoe dress, and I went to the filter and went down to sold and moved that little bar aside. And you know, there's over 10,000 results. That says a couple things. One is, yes, the market is saturated with Lularoe. It's true. But look how many items have sold. Over 10,000 items. And I believe those numbers represent the past 90 days. So there's not just 30 Lularoe dresses that sold in the past 90 days, over 10,000. And so that's definitely something that we can keep in mind when we're looking for things that we could sell. So I just said that I don't buy Lularoe leggings, I don't own any, and I don't sell any on eBay. Well, I just did a search on eBay, typed in Lularoe leggings, and went down to filter, sold. 15,000 results for the last 90 days. 15,000. I guess I'm wrong here. I'm just going by my own opinion. I don't like Lularoe leggings, but maybe they're still a moneymaker. It all depends on what they're going for. I didn't look up the price, but I mean, like, what are they selling for? Let me look that up. Well, I just looked it up. They're really all over the map. You got some, you're selling 2 pairs of leggings sold for $9, but there's the pair of leggings that sold for $22. So I think it all depends on the pattern of those leggings. Some were St. Patrick's Day, so that's coming up, and people are looking specifically for a certain holiday pattern. I think it all depends, you know. Like I said, 2 for $9 or 1 for $22, 1 for $35. So it depends. If you think that you have a pattern as one of the pair of leggings that is definitely in demand, well, then go for that. But if you see one that's kind of really used and just kind of blah, maybe pass on that. So you might have to just figure out for yourselves what you think might sell as far as the leggings go. So one thing I just got in was some packing tape that I have to I need it to refill my tape gun. As you can see, I need the circle of it to be like this big. Doggone, I got the wrong thing. I got this. But it does say it also fits Scotch small core dispenser. You think that's what this is? Small core dispenser? Well, let's see here. Let's see if it does. Man, you know, shopping online is a wonderful thing. It really is. I shop online probably for the majority of everything, whether it's of course, things on Amazon. I buy things on eBay. I order my groceries online and go pick them up at the grocery store because I just abhor going to the grocery store and going shopping. And, you know, of course, like Target sometimes, not all the time. I like to go to Target. But Ulta, all that kind of stuff, I order online. And, you know, there's pros and there's cons to ordering things online. And one thing is that you don't know exactly the size that you're getting. You're not paying good enough attention. I mean, how many times have all of us bought the wrong size, whether it be clothing item? Hey, it fits. Fits. Okay, so it doesn't go to waste. I don't have to send this back. So all these packaging, it's not going to fit the big tape gun, but it'll fit the little one. So that's good. So I got that done. That's all ready to go to ship out new items. Now, what's next on the agenda today? Okay guys, a little bit of time has passed. I went walking at the park for a little bit, and now we're heading off to watch two of our employees who play for Westlake softball. They have a game this afternoon, and so we're going to go watch them and cheer them on.
Yeah, we're excited to see them.
Hey guys, so we're out here today putting up a new TV that we finally got. Our TV that was up here on our patio got messed up after Hurricane Lularoe hit a couple years ago. And so we finally got a new one. We found a good deal when we was at Sam's shopping for some stuff for the donut shop. So today we are unboxing it and gonna see if we could put that up there where it belongs. Okay guys, so it is the next day here, and we're going to go ahead and end the video there. Hope you found some kind of value in this one to go ahead and clean out those closets, sell those items on eBay. Go ahead and go for the Lularoe dresses and maybe even those tights. Thank you for following along today. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, feel free to press that subscribe button and press the thumbs up and the bell if you want any notifications. I'm already getting started on the next video because I have something fragile that I need to mail off. So how do you go about mailing out those fragile items so that they stay intact for arrival? And thank you so much for following, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.